Guys, welcome back to another Tornado Siren walk around. We are here in, Marshallville, and we are in ASC T-121. First ever. You can actually see the chopping on this thing. Oh god, y'all, I already spoiled the surprise. Over here, we have a Federal Signal Model 3. It's actually a pretty cool find, actually. No, it's a good spot too. Siren is located at the cemetery over here on Bristol Lane. Let's come back up over here. Trying my best not to shake the camera. This thing is massive, like truly, it's big. Oh, it's so cool. Nathan over there taking pictures. But I guess you guys can already tell this Model 3 is inactive. See the wire going from there to there. Their ear protection. Yes, it's pretty neat. Yeah, you can tell it's definitely not active anymore. You can see the wires are definitely cut. I'll see if I can zoom in. The wires are definitely cut. Oh god, the sun is in my eyes, guys. If you look, you can see closely that the wires are cut. Okay, it got replaced by a T-121. I don't know what else there's much to say besides this is actually really neat. On this side, the sticker's kind of peeling off. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, it's there. I might be making a picture collection video soon. Alright, so yeah guys, this is an ASC T-121 and a Federal Signal Model 3.